Hey guys, Purely Awesome Cuber here, and today I'm just gonna skip the intro. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm on csTimer right now, and I just got this scramble. It just says B2 U prime. It's not really focusing, but you can see that. That is just crazy, so I wanted to make sure I record this. Let me zoom out here. But this is totally gonna be the YouTube world record, so let's go. B2 U prime. Okay, ready, go. 0.77 seconds. What? Okay guys, I just wanted to show you that because that was just insane. A B2 U prime scramble. I don't know what to say. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.